So we are at Excellence Club Riviera Cancun. This is our room 7055. It's a ocean view swim up suite. It's just got here. There's the bathroom. Shower looks very nice. There's the vanity for the sink. This is the view of the whole room over here. We have our closets. There's a refrigerator which is stocked. Safe. More than enough room for clothes. TV. Bed. They gave us a nice little rose right there. Sitting area. Got here and there's a nice little bottle of champagne waiting for us. And then here is the swim out, which is fantastic. Sunbed, hot tub. This is an ocean view. Hola. There's my wife. And then we have the swim up suite with the ocean view. Absolutely fantastic. We got a couple bars right here, one there, hot tub. Very nice, highly recommended.